Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll walk through the simple steps to allow camera access for Facebook on your mobile device. Whether you're trying to post photos, go live, or share reels, enabling this permission ensures you can use your camera seamlessly within the app. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and unlock it. Swipe over to your home screen and locate the Settings app. This is the gear-shaped icon typically found in your app drawer or on a main screen. Tap to open it. Next, scroll down through the Settings menu until you see Apps or App Management, depending on your device. On some Androids, this might be labeled as Applications or Installed Apps. Tap to enter this section. Now, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through or use the search bar at the top to quickly find Facebook. Once you locate it, tap on the app's name to open its settings. Inside the Facebook app settings, look for the Permissions option. This may appear as a standalone button or under a submenu like App Info. Tap on it to view the permissions currently granted or restricted. Here, you'll see a list of features Facebook can access, such as location, contacts, or storage. Find Camera in the list. It might be under Media or Device Permissions. Tap on it, and you'll see three options: Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, or Don't allow. Select Allow only while using the app for the best balance of functionality and privacy. That's it. Exit the settings and return to Facebook. Try opening the camera feature again. You should now be able to snap photos, record videos, or start a live stream without any issues. If you're still encountering problems, double-check that your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can sometimes interfere with permissions. You might also want to force close the Facebook app and reopen it to refresh the settings. And there you have it. A quick fix to ensure your camera works smoothly with Facebook. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tech tips. See you in the next tutorial.